Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm super excited. I get to be a guest designer for the Scrap Room for April 2026, and I'm going to work with the DoubleShot kits. So the DoubleShot kits, you get a really nice sample of two different collections, cardstock, and a little bit of embellishment. So let's jump in because I want to create. Okay, so the first DoubleShot kit. This is Echo Park Paper Company Easter basket. And you guys, it is cute. Let me put the embellishments to the side and we will jump right in. So I've got one piece of basil cardstock, which is textured, and it is in the color called Jetstream. Excuse me. I've got one piece in the color Wisteria. Ooh, is that pretty? Okay, so then this pattern paper, it's called Pick of the Patch Stems. Tone on tone, the most glorious orchid ever. Okay, and then the flip side, it's a really pretty pastel kind of vibe of a floral, but there's some saturation in this pastel, so I like that. Our next piece is tone on tone. It's called Spring Floral. Love this, like this baby blue sipping into aqua, and bigger florals that are oh so pretty. And then finally, oh, so cool, it's carroty. This one, Celebrate Easter Banners. Okay, and there's all kinds of Easter banners. That is so darned fun. Look at the one with the eggs. I love it. Ooh, I went too fussy cut. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing yet, so we have to see what I'll do. And then our embellishment, it's the full 12 by 12 inch element stickers. And these always give you so much bang for your buck. And now the other thing that's kind of funny is when I create with them, I always try to use, like if I'm doing an Easter layout, I try to grab as many things that would say Easter on it as possible and really, really use them. Like the bunny has an Easter egg. Celebrate Easter, bunny kisses, stuff like that. But, and you know, like this border sticker here, but this one you could use anytime. So that would just be a spring item. It's one of those things that, and I don't know why I'm telling you this, but I figure this is going to be a shorter kit opening than usual because I just have the DoubleShot kit in front of me. Anyway, super cute. Love it. The little chickie is cute. This gorgeous basket that has eggs and florals. Oh, we have a cute little frame right here. Easter egg hunt. There are carrots here and there. But then there's just pretty florals. And like, I always like how Echo Park will fill in the little spaces with extra little goodies that can give you some oomph, right? So cute. I mean, I am pro Easter bunny, so I am loving. Look at how nice that big orchid egg is. Then you have the wordy bits down here too. Always a nice banner piece. Cluck, cluck, hooray. It's an exciting Easter day. Well, there you go. Who knew? Okay, so that's what I have. Doo-doo-doo, the word April I like. That's what I have for my first kit in the April 2026 DoubleShot kits, and I'll probably craft with this first. I just have to print some photos. Now this is Simple Story Pink Lemonade. So I'm going to put the goodies, the embellishments to the side, and let's see, I have a piece of white textured cardstock. Okay. I have got, two pieces of white textured cardstock and a piece of, wow, Carmine Rose. This is so saturated. I love it. Okay, I'm going to go like this so that you can, really see all of the things. Let me see something really quickly. Yes, so you can like see that I have the two whites. Then this one, it is gorgeous. Spread your wings. I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to do the Jumpstart Sketch and Freaky Fast Friday challenges for my layouts, and I hope I can have some butterflies to fussy cut. And then the flip side totally works with this color right here. Super saturated strawberry tone with wonky dots. Cute. And then this is called Main Squeeze. Did I tell you this was Pink Lemonade? Spread your wings and main squeeze. lemony yellow with polka dots, kind of like wonky all over the place. Oh, but this is so pretty. Look at these big fruit bits, and they look stamped and they're gorgeous. Oh, and then this is called Journal Elements. So we've got a really nice little plaid that looks watercolored on, and the sweetest little flowers. And then you have journal elements. So different things, you can kind of cut out these blocks or cut out the different pieces out of them for embellishments, which is one of my big things to do. Okay, then for like the real embellishment parts, we are going to get an assortment of the bits and pieces, journal bits, and chipboard. And it's all going to vary, guys. So let's just see. I've got a nice little amount of the perfect green. It's kind of like a deep celery green of enamel dots. Okay. And then chipboard, I've got, I don't know, it looks kind of like a grapefruit. And a pretty lemon. And a bottle with a yellow liquid I'm hoping is lemonade. And then, oh, and here's my last chipboard, I think, a floral. So those are my chipboard pieces. And then for paper pieces, I've got a little heart. I have a fishtail banner. Let's see what this is. Hello there. Another fishtail banner. This cute little tag. Oh, I have another big chipboard piece. Cute. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. I have a frame. Oh, that's fun. Okay. I have got not a banner, journaling spot, a ticket that reads smile, a floral. Ooh, a little mothy guy in black and white, a lemon. I have got strawberries. Ooh, what do I want to do with this? I'm excited. Some florals, kind of like a Rolodex little guy that reminds me of a recipe card. A very cool journaling spot because it looks like a little bit of tape on there with some stamping. And a floral cart. Ooh, the possibilities, the possibilities. So guys, that's what I will be creating with for my guest design team spot. I'll be doing a layout with each of them for design team work, or a guest design team work, I should say. And then, yeah, you guys know I always create with my leftovers. So you'll see something with that later on down the line. So I have got to get some pictures printed and get to crafting. I will have links down below for the ScrapRoom website to get your hands on these kits, for the Facebook group so you can see what the subscribers and the Fab Design team is creating, and for the blog so you can see in depth more about what the DT is doing and all that kind of stuff, because that's super fun. So guys, I will see you soon, and guys, happy crafting.